Today, I want to talk about the scams of our industry and what makes Clover Trading not a scam. If you're doing research, if you're trying to look into Clover Trading and figure out, are these the right educators for me within this niche of small cap? How can we build some trust? That's what we've been trying to do for the past 10 years of our career. Whatever trading course you're looking into, are the people that are running the course, do they have a verified track record? And you'll find that most people in this industry do not verify their trades. Why? I cannot tell you. I think if you're an educator, I think if you're leading by example, then you should be transparent about what you're trading and what you're not trading. We built Clover Trading based on the idea that we are transparent, trustworthy traders, that we do as we say, and we don't just walk the walk, we talk the talk as well. What is going on, YouTube? Thank you so much for joining us for another classic YouTube video here. I'm Mike Huddy, one of the 3 lead trainers at clovertrading.io. So if you want to check out our verified track record, you can go to kinfo.com and you can quite see, this is, I guess, my account, performance of all time. And you can see the trades that I've taken across almost every single day. You can see my equity curve, you know, the way that I manage risk and the way that I'm able to continue to grow an account. And it's not just me. If I did this with Kyle as well, same thing. Kyle's made 6.7 million in his career. It's all verified. And again, like we're not gatekeeping the way that we trade. We're not holding anything back. Like we talk exactly about the setups we trade, the stocks we trade, and we cannot be on the leaderboards here if you're manually entering your trade. So that means our trades are hooked up automatically to our broker. And at the end of the day, automatically our trades are uploaded. Further, like if you're in the chat room, you're going to see this over and over again. We alert all of our trades. This is our Discord room. And, you know, these are just people talking about random stocks, and it's just like the trading floor. And there's some traders in here that are just like lead trainers that are phenomenal traders. We have tons of heavy hitting 7-figure, 6-figure traders that offer support, offer help, offer experience throughout their journey. So the chat room has some really good value adds. And again, some other trustworthy people in the industry that have been along for decades and have verified track records. This is our trade alerts section. So everything is, you know, timestamped. Like this week, I was, you know, shorting Wolf at 255. I'm adding it. I'm telling everyone where my risk is. And then at the end of the day, covering it. And, you know, this is all timestamped. It's live trades, it's live trade alerts. And then going further, like this is the watch list section, right? Where we're talking about quite literally like that Wolf trade. Like we're talking about why we're swinging it, what we're expecting. So it's all happening real time as it goes down, right? Like again, we're not gatekeeping anything, and it's all very transparent. And after we take the trades, you can, again, confirm on Kinfo that we did take the trades, which we do. Like, we lead by example. We're trying to make money, and there's no better money than the market money. So there's nothing that the chat room can do for us that the market can't, right? So we're traders first, right? And then we're educators second.
Ever dreamed of trading like one of the Clovers? Well, it all starts with choosing the right broker. Clover Trading and Cobra have teamed up to supercharge your trading experience. By clicking below, you'll unlock the power of Cobra Prime. We're talking top-tier trading tools, saving you hundreds of dollars. Get ahead with real-time scanners, cutting-edge news, 30 days of commission-free trading, 30 days of free DAS software, 60 days free of Ask Edgar, and so much more. Imagine all that, plus superior short inventory, personalized support, and interest on your idle funds. But it doesn't stop there. Cobra offers competitive pricing on locates and commissions that fit your trading style, with the ability to trade stocks, futures, options, and other products. If you're under the pattern day trading rule, Cobra has a unique solution for you. Venom, a platform designed for traders with smaller accounts to go long or short on small and mid-cap stocks. Ready to elevate your trading game and save big? Click the link below to access exclusive deals only available through Clover Trading and Cobra.
At our website, we sell a number of things, right? Trading Tickers is the DVD that I got started on. So Trading Tickers is like a foundational way to understand what a chart pattern is and what it means to have a systematic approach, like a rinse, wash, repeat approach that keeps you consistent and keeps your risk in check and teaches you about dollar risk positions. And a guy named Tim Grittani made it, and we sell it because we truly believe that that is the best DVD, or at least in my honest opinion, like I think that is the best DVD. It's no guarantee that it's going to make you money, right? Like nothing can be guaranteed in that matter, but like I just can tell you that it's the DVD that I learned from, and it's the DVD that I would recommend people get if they want to have a base understanding of like the charts we trade and the patterns. So we have a lot of different, we have like live trades. We have a trading journal here. We do boot camps. So we do things in person, right? Like we show our face, we go in person, about 50 people usually show up. and we teach live for like 2 or 3 days straight, and then we trade live. So it's like, we could not be more transparent, right? And I think that's what differs us from a lot of people out there that you see on YouTube or on whatever streams you're following. Like no one is verifying their trades. No one is trading live in front of people. Like either you can or you can't. And if you can, like you should, right? If you're in the teaching space, in my opinion. So we do live boot camps. I personally love the money sheets here. It's a trading journal. You upload all your trades. It comes with a 6-hour course that Kyle made explaining how to use the trading journal. Like these are tools, again, that I truly think can expand on someone's journey. And then if you want access to the chat room, which I was showing you earlier, watch lists, trade alerts, live commentary in the chat room, access to other traders, that's 3-leaf. And then if you want like the 4-leaf, which includes webinars twice a week, usually I do one, or Dom does one, or Kyle does one, you get that every week. You get that twice a week. So you can ask those questions, and then you can ask those questions at any time. But when we work with charts, sometimes it's better to find questions within that in that setting, because, you know, we're reviewing trades. So we're reviewing our mocks, and, you know, if there's a specific trade or a chart that you want to go back and touch on, like that's your time to do it. There's no guarantee for success, but like a lot of this is just human psychology repeating itself over and over and over. So once you understand the rules of engagement, like once you understand what a chart pattern is, once you understand like what it means to build a system around the way that you trade, it really makes things a lot more digestible when you're in such a chaotic world. So if you guys want to check us out, that's great. This is where you can check us out, clovertrading.io. If you guys are wanting to check out like another service or class or whatever it is, just like make sure that they're verified, right? Like are they scams? Like do they have a verified track record? Are there testimonials? You know, are they giving live alerts? Like just do your research, right? I'm not saying that we're the best, we're just saying that we are some of the transparent ones. And I think that's a really important aspect when you're looking at these trading classes and courses and wondering if they're scams.